Okay, Year 9s, here's our last video on kind of straightforward linear equations, and the one thing I'll draw your attention to at the beginning is that I've got an x term here and an x term here on different sides of the equals. It's not a big deal, and I'll show you how to deal with it. So first of all, we're going to write out the question, and now we can deal with our working. So because we've got x's on both sides, I'm going to make it so that we've got x's only on one side. So if I'm looking at this 2x, if I wanted to combine it with this x here, then I'd have to apply the opposite of subtracting 2x. The opposite of subtracting 2x is adding 2x. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides. So on this side, the 2x's add to 0, they've gone, and we're left with just 15. And on the other side, we still have the 11, but now we've added these x terms together, we have plus 3x. So I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to subtract 11 from both sides. So I've got 4 left on this side, and I've got 3x on this side. And now I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by 3, so that my 3's cancel out and leave x with itself. And so my answer is x equals 4 over 3, or if I wanted to write it with x on the left, I could say x equals 4 over 3 that way. Okay, once again, you can write it as 1 and a third, or you can write it as 1.3 recurring as well. So not a big deal if you have x on both sides, you just need to remember to get them onto the same side. So here's your last set of linear type equations before we get on to fractional type equations.